He was the hand-picked successor to Masayoshi Son at SoftBank, but in a surprise move, Nikesh Arora has decided to quit the company, although he will remain as an advisor for a year. What's even more surprising is the timing. It comes just a day after an internal committee gave Arora a clean chit. The special committee found that allegations of questionable transactions, poor investment performance and conflict of interest levelled against Arora by a few SoftBank investors were without merit.
With a pay package of around $500 million per year, Nikesh Arora was among the world's top-paid executives. But just 2 years after joining SoftBank, Arora has decided to take the exit. The company statement made it clear that delay in Arora taking over from Masayoshi Son led to Arora's departure. The statement says, and I quote, "Son's intention was to keep leading the group in various aspects for the time being. While Arora wished to start taking over the lead in a few years' time, the difference of expected timelines between the two leads to Arora's resignation from the position of representative director and director of SPG with the expiration of the term of office and his next steps." End quote. In a tweet, Nikesh Arora made it crystal clear, "Masa wanted to be CEO for longer. I did as promised. Time to move on." Arora had recently come under fire from investors over his investment decisions and alleged conflict of interest. Arora has invested $4 billion in his 2 years as president of the company. In a series of tweets, Nikesh Arora answered to some of the questions posed by CNBC-TV18. When asked if Masayoshi Son decided to continue after recent events, Arora replied, "He and I love each other. Leading is a drug, a positive influence, a raison d'être. You need to be ready to leave." When asked if there was any lack of support, Arora had a tongue-in-cheek response. He said, "You should have been at dinner with Masa or the press meetings and you could have decided. No lack." When asked if he had any regrets over his investments, Arora's answer was prompt. "The nature of investing is wins and losses. As long as wins outweigh losses, you win. Can't regret the loss." SoftBank is a major investor in India's e-retailer Snapdeal. In a statement, Kunal Behel told CNBC-TV18, and I quote, "Nikesh has been a great supporter and mentor to our business, and we look forward to the same continuing going forward as well. SoftBank will continue to provide financial and strategic support to our company, and the transition of SoftBank will have no impact on our business." End quote. And finally, when asked about future plans, Arora's answer was simple and straightforward. No rush. The plan is to have no plans. Bureau Report, CNBC-TV18.